Atefan Phunsavat is the most good-looking and stunning actor from Thailand. The stage name that he uses is Gun. Gun birth date is October 4, 1993. He is 31 years old this year. Bangkok, Thailand is his birthplace. Gun made his debut in 2003. His most well-known roles are in The Gifted, Black White in Not Me, and Third in Theory of Love 2019. He currently studies political science at Ramkhamhaeng University after previously studied business administration at the University of Bangkok. With his mother's help, Atefan started working in entertainment at an early age. Who was aware of her son's goals? Mummy, Gun would like to appear on television, he recalled in an interview. He tried out for movie studios with her help, and in 2003 he won the first boy model competition. Gomin, one of his more well-known works in Thailand, featured his first major part in 2004. At the age of 9 or 10, Atefan became a well-known child actor as a result of the popularity of this folkloric soap opera when it first broadcast. He has been involved in the industry ever since to a greater or lesser degree, participating in a number of TV dramas on Channel 7 and Channel 3 throughout his early years. Atefan first gained recognition in the drama genre of film, specifically in alternative productions like Kong Kiat Khom Series Slice 2009. A Thai thriller in which a teenage Atefan shocked viewers by playing an abused child. The film was nominated for the Svanahung's National Film Awards and went on to win Best Supporting Actor at the 7th Chalram Thai Awards from 2010 to 2011. His role as Tam earned him a nomination for Best Actor at the Thai Film Director Association Awards and another at the Svanahung National Film Awards 2016. Atefan rose to fame after joining GMMTV in 2016 when he co-starred with Jampol Atalkitipon as Rom in Senior Secret Love Puppy Honey 2016 and its follow-up. As a result of their intense connection, the two have hosted web series, released the single Too Cute to Handle, and starred in the romantic drama Theory of Love 2019. Off and Gun won multiple Best Couple Awards together from organizations that give out awards including the Line TV Awards and the Maya Awards. Atefan received independent praise for his portrayal of Pun in The Gifted 2018, for which he was awarded Best Actor in a Supporting Role at the 24th Asian Television Awards and Best Fight Scene at the Line TV Awards 2019. Along with co-owning Too Cute to Be Cool with actors Alai Soi and Nicha Phat, Chai Folvrat Gun also owns the clothing brand Chente. Atefan profession is an actor, model, and host. His zodiac sign is Libra. His religion is not known. Atefan nationality is Thai. Gun height is 1.68 meter. His weight is 56 kg. His blood type is not known. Gun Atafan has black eyes. His hair color is also black. Gun Atafan is single at the moment and not in a relationship. His net worth is between $5 million. ENFP is his MBTI type. He likes to eat, take pictures, and listen to music. Gun began performing in guest parts at a very young age. Subscribe for more videos.